Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you're able to fix the error inside of 7-zip that says cannot open this file as archive. Now this is a relatively quick and straightforward one to fix, and if you're encountering this issue, you are going to need to try and repair the archived folder before you can open or extract it. Now to do this, we need to head over to an internet browser, and you need to head over to a search engine like google.com, and all you need to do inside of here is type in WinRAR space download and then hit enter. Then just click on this top search result up here, and we're going to download the 64-bit version of WinRAR. Now obviously if you have a 32-bit computer, you'll need to scroll down here to download the 32-bit one, but for most of you the 64-bit one's going to be fine, so I'm going to click that and just select where you want this file to be downloaded to. I'm going to keep mine in the download folder and hit save, and once you've downloaded the file we can just double click on it, and then you're going to go through the steps to install this onto your computer. So I'm just going to hit install here, and then we can select OK, and finally we can select done. And then what you need to do is you need to come over to your start menu, and we're going to search for WinRAR and open the file. Then the first thing we're going to do is add our zip file inside of here. So you're going to come over to add, then hit this browse button at the top here. Then you need to locate the zip folder that you're having issues with. So for me it's this folder to extract here, and we're going to double click on this, and then we're going to go ahead and press OK. And once you've got your folder inside of here, then we need to come up to tools at the top here, and we're going to select repair archive, and you need to select the archive type down here. Now for most of you it's going to be this zip one at the bottom, and then we just need to select the browse button, and this is where we're going to save the new .zip file. So I'm just going to come into my desktop, and I'm going to create a new folder inside of here, and we're going to call it repaired files and hit enter. And then I'm going to select this folder and click on select folder, and then we can press OK, and then we can close out of this window, and we can come over to the repaired files on our desktop, and you should have a folder that's called rebuilt folder to extract, and all we need to do is extract the files in here by right clicking and pressing extract all, and then just select the location where you want this to be extracted to. I'm going to keep it in this folder here and click extract, and now as you can see I've got the contents of this zip file, and I'm no longer getting any error messages. And that's it guys, that's how you fix the 7-zip archive error. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.